Hey Albert, can you tell me a little bit about Rail King history?
Sure, Keith. The Railcar originated here at Stewart Stevenson in 1990. And since then, we've developed 6 different models, and we're up to generation 6, and we're currently going into generation 7. The difference is that our big cab has dual seats, has dual controls, so the operators have the ability to work from either side, and our narrow cab is a single man cab.
So with that said, how does that compare to some of our competitors on the market?
On the wide cab, we have what we call a walk-around platform, where the operator could walk from one station to the other around the platform. He doesn't have to get off the unit and climb back on again.
Is there a reason for the 330 being one of our biggest sellers?
Well, the 330 is a heavier machine than the 285. It weighs more, it has more capacity, it has a higher horsepower, and it navigate the curves and the grades better than our smaller units. We work with our dealers and our customers, and we go out and we do a track survey, and we spec out the unit according with the customer's needs.
So kind of a site-specific base machine.
That's correct.
I'm hearing a lot about the RK460, and I am really excited about this product. Can you tell me where its space is going to land?
Sure. We're excited about the 460 as well. The RK460 weighs 93,000 pounds, has 46,000 pounds of tractive effort, and the customers that are going to benefit from that are customers that are ready to replace their switch engines.
When you say switch engines and locomotives, what makes our rubber tires be able to get off the track? How is that benefiting as far as everyday maintenance?
We're not rail bound. We could come off the track and move from one track to the other.
What makes us the king? Why are we wearing that name so proud?
It's our people, our processes, and our dealer network that sets us apart. And customers they trust Stewart & Stevenson because Stewart & Stevenson has been around over 120 years.
Thank you for your expertise. Means a lot.